Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl back with another fabulous video. And do I have a treat for you? I decided it would be fun to kick off an annual Beauti-Fall Tablescape Collab. Now to do so, I decided to round up a few of my fabulous YouTube sisters that I'm affectionately calling the Dream Team. Now these ladies are very talented in their own right, each having their own signature style. So I figured they would be the perfect group of women to carouse together to kick off this fun and exciting collab. You're gonna find everything from traditional, glam, farmhouse, French country, and everything in between. So before I get into my video, let me introduce my dream team. First, we have Chanel of Angelic Interior Designs by Chanel. We have Bree from Bree's Project Book. Barbara of Decorating with Barbara. Of course, the Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Shalomi, the Glamorous Penny Pincher. Gloria of Gloria Designs. And the Glamour Queen, honey, Miss Felisa of Homebody with Felisa. The Sophisticated Miss Wani of Wani's House. My girl Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Shakira of Styled by Kira. Of course, yours truly, Trevina of TMB Designs. And last but not least, my girl Val of Valerie's Glamorous Castle and Decor. Now, you've met the team, so you know what we're gonna bring. So after you view my video, my fabulous tablescape, I want you to go ahead, hit that hashtag Beauti-Fall Tablescape Collab and enjoy my sister's creativity. Also, if you think you want to be a part and jump in on this collab, feel free to upload your video using the hashtag Beauti-Fall Tablescape Collab. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful. Now, I present to you my 2019 Beauti-Fall Tablescape I'm affectionately calling my Glamorous Pumpkin Patch. Living up to the name, you guys, it is full of opulent glam and splendor. Everything about this tablescape speaks glamorous, luxe, over the top, perfect for a glamorous pumpkin patch. With the color scheme of aqua and champagne in mind, this pillow became the perfect jump off for my tablescape design. It picks up all the beautiful hues of this glamorous pumpkin patch theme. You guys, I used a faux throw as my anchor for my tablescape as a table topper. It set the foundation for ultimate glam. You guys, I began to layer on all of these beautiful pieces featuring my beaded placemats from Home Goods, my mirrored plate chargers from Tuesday Morning, topped with the beautiful champagne glittered set from Home Goods. For the finishing touch of the table setting, you guys, I added these beautiful pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. As you can see here, this table is full of opulence, you guys. I used my ombre champagne flutes, also from Home Goods, as well as these beautiful mercury glass candlesticks of TJ Maxx. And how about this over-the-top centerpiece styled in a mercury glass jar from Burlington? These beautiful pumpkins just set the stage and completed this beautiful design. The napkins, you guys, are from Home Goods as well, and they are anchored with those beautiful leaf napkin rings from Totally Dazzled. Everything about this tablescape is luxe, over the top. From the centerpiece to the glass pumpkins to the DIY pumpkins in the centerpiece, everything about it takes you to a place of opulence. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this virtual tour of my Beauti-Fall Tablescape for 2019, the Glamorous Pumpkin Patch. I must thank all of my beautiful sisters for helping me kick off this Beauti-Fall Tablescape Collab. Now that you've finished watching my Beauti-Fall Tablescape, I want you to hit that playlist, Beauti-Fall Tablescape Collab, and enjoy my beautiful sisters' creations. Once you're done, make sure you leave a comment letting know that I sent you. And if you're visiting here from one of my sister channels, welcome to TMB Design. I hope you hit that subscribe button and join the family. We would love to have you. Also, creators, if you think you want to jump in on this fun and exciting Beauti-Fall Tablescape Collab, go ahead and do so. Just use the hashtag to be included into the playlist. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful day. Smooches.